The pyromet silver card. Don't leave home without it. Okay, guys, well, here is something new that I am somewhat enamored of. Did you know that you can buy a silver credit card? Now, I don't know if you recall my ingot display of my pyromet 10-ounce ingot, but they are back and they have come up with a new product which I think is going to be pretty darn popular. And I see that JM Bullion has sold out. When I saw these on Friday, I went ahead and ordered a few, uh, and I think I got them from JM Bullion. They're about 1942. I think I paid with credit card, so I may have paid 20 bucks and got about 5 of these. But this is a silver credit card. Now check out these pictures. Okay, these things are ultra thin. Okay, it fits into a credit card holder. It will fit into your wallet. They're not really showing how thin this thing is, but I understand that it can even be cut with scissors. All right, let's see if they still have the wallet handy. There is also yeah, this is not showing it, but I believe there is another one where they actually will sell you a wallet that will hold several, 5 or 10 of these cards. They are ultra stackable as well. Apparently they take very little volume when you stack them. And I am not suggesting, go out and buy a monster box of these things at 20 bucks each. But I think they're really cool, and I think you're going to all wind up wanting a couple. Let me see if I can find you the other, the credit card holder. Hold on. Okay, I had to switch websites. I am now at buygoldandsilvercoins.com, BGASC.com, which I did not order here because they were charging me sales tax and shipping and everything. But they are cheaper, $18.97. But check this out, okay, how it fits into your wallet. Now, I don't know if this would have the properties to block a radio frequency, hack on your credit cards. I don't know if it will, but let's see if we can find. You can see how thin they are, by the way. Let's see if we can find the wallet that they actually come in a little wallet as well. Just one second. Yeah, here it is. Okay. And I wanted to buy this, but I didn't want to pay the sales tax. Excuse me. But check out the wallet. So this one for 98 bucks. They will put 5 of these in a wallet. It is a plastic. I mean, you're not going to really want to carry that around. But I think they said this does block the radio frequencies. The silver card by Pyromet is a thin 1-ounce piece of 999 silver that fits in your wallet, roughly the size of a credit card. It's basically 1 ounce of silver bullion that's easy to keep with you at all time. The card makes a great gift and is thin enough to cut with a pair of scissors if you want to divide it up into smaller fractional pieces. The face of the card features an attractive polished, mirror-like surface, and it is stamped, the silver card, from Pyromet. Pyromet is a long-standing pioneer in the silver bullion business. And let's see. Oh, here we go. RFID blocking aluminum wallet card case. The Caesar Gold bullion cards do not contain RFID, radio frequency identification chips. However, many new debit cards and driver's licenses now have these chips embedded in them. The RFID chip contains personal and account information that identity thieves can access by simply passing by you on the street or in the market. The BGASC aluminum card blocks those frequencies. All right, so they're saying that they'll throw in this exceedingly ugly credit card holder if you buy this 5-pack, and that does block the RFIDs. I would think putting a couple of these cards on either side of your wallet may actually help as well, but don't quote me on that. So they are still for sale at BGASC, 98 bucks for the cool package here, and I think they're selling pretty fast, although you can actually go to the Pyromet website and if you want to buy 1,000 of these or something, you get a pretty good price. They are. I see no indication that there's going to be limited mintage, but I do see them being pretty popular as a novelty. Okay, so I have some coming, and they'll be here right away. I'll show them to you as soon as they arrive. Thanks, everybody. Louie signing out.